Hello everyone, welcome to the English Club. Today we are here with the practice session of clause. The clause is adverb clause of construct. So are you ready?
Yes.
First one is यद्यपि वह बूढ़ा है फिर भी वह बहुत बहादुर है.
Though he is old, he is brave.
यद्यपि वह गरीब है तो भी वह ईमानदार है.
Though he is poor, he is honest.
यद्यपि वह धनी है फिर भी वह बहुत क्रूर है.
Though he is rich, he is cruel.
यद्यपि वह गरीब है तो भी उसने मेरी मदद की.
Though he is poor, he helps me.
यद्यपि हमारे प्रधानाध्यापक बड़े कड़े हैं फिर भी ये गरीब बच्चों की मदद करते हैं.
Though our principal hard and fast, he helps the poor student.
यद्यपि वह कमजोर है फिर भी वह हिम्मती है.
Though he is weak, he is strong.
यद्यपि वह धनी है फिर भी वह बेवकूफ है.
Though he is rich, he is foolish.
यद्यपि यहाँ कल पानी बरसा फिर भी हम लोग स्कूल गए.
Though it rained here yesterday, we went to school.
यद्यपि वह घायल था फिर भी उसने मेरी मदद की.
Though he was wounded, he helped me.
यद्यपि उसके पास बहुत कम पैसे थे फिर भी उसने मेरी मदद की.
Though he had very less money, he helped me.
यद्यपि वह उसका दुश्मन था फिर भी उसने उसकी जान बचाई.
Though he was his enemy, he saved his life.
Okay, next one.
Okay, thank you. Give me. I think most of the sentences you have translated well, but you need to be more improved. You need to improve yourself. Okay, improvement is required, and the things in which you have to improve is confidence. I think one time before I have also instructed you. It means you haven't worked. Whenever you are here, friends, you don't feel that you are going to make or commit mistakes. First thing, how I am speaking. Confidence tells everything. So build up your confidence. So I think the next one is Sneha. Okay. No matter. So Monu, a little bit speak loudly. Okay.
Okay sir.
Okay. Now Sneha, come here. Now.
यद्यपि वह बूढ़ा है फिर भी वह बहुत बहादुर है.
Though he is old, he is brave.
यद्यपि वह गरीब है फिर भी वह ईमानदार है.
Though he is poor, he is honest.
यद्यपि वह बहुत धनी है फिर भी वह बहुत क्रूर है.
Though he is rich, he is very cruel.
यद्यपि वह गरीब है फिर भी उसने मेरी मदद की.
Though he is poor, he helps me.
यद्यपि हमारे प्रधानाध्यापक बड़े कड़े हैं फिर भी वे गरीब छात्रों की मदद करते हैं.
Though our principal hard and fast, he helps the poor student.
यद्यपि वह कमजोर है फिर भी वह हिम्मती है.
Though he is weak, he is strong.
यद्यपि वह धनी है फिर भी वह बेवकूफ है.
Though he is rich, he is foolish.
यद्यपि यहाँ कल पानी बरसा तथापि हम लोग विद्यालय गए.
Though it rained here yesterday, we went to school.
यद्यपि वह घायल था फिर भी उसने मेरी मदद की.
Though he was injured, he helped me.
यद्यपि उसके पास बहुत कम पैसे थे फिर भी उसने मेरी सहायता की.
Though he had very less money, he helped me.
यद्यपि वह उसका दुश्मन था फिर भी उसने उसकी जान बचाई.
Though he was his enemy, he saved his life.
ओवर सो.
Thank you. I think friends you enjoyed this session. आपने देखा कि हिंदी सेंटेंसेस को कैसे ट्रांसलेट कर रहे हैं. फिर भी मुझे लगता है कि और भी आपको मेहनत करने की जरूरत है. और भी सेंटेंसेस. Yes, come. Yes, Gunjan, you come. I am going to ask you few sentences. You have to tell few sentences using although and though without Hindi sentence. Think yourself directly in English. Make sentences.
Though he is poor, he is honest.
Wow, very nice. Next.
Though he is energetic, he can't climb on the tree.
Yeah, climb the tree simply. Though he is energetic, he can't climb the tree. यद्यपि कि वह भाई एनर्जेटिक है, उत्साहवर्धक है, उत्साह मतलब कह सकते हैं बहादुर है, लेकिन फिर भी वह पेड़ पर नहीं चढ़ सकता है. यद्यपि कि वह बीमार है, तथापि वह विद्यालय जाता है.
Though he is ill, he goes to school.
यद्यपि कि भारत एक गरीब देश है, फिर भी हमने अपने रॉकेट को चांद पर भेजा.
Though India is poor country, we have sent a rocket to the moon.
Yeah, we have sent the rocket to the moon. Okay, और चंद्रयान simply. यद्यपि कि मैं बीमार हूँ, फिर भी मैं आपका क्लास ले रहा हूँ.
Though I am ill, I am taking your class.
Very nice. यद्यपि कि वह स्वस्थ है, फिर भी वह आलसी है.
Though he is healthy, he is lazy.
यद्यपि कि क्लासरूम की सारी खिड़कियां खिड़कियां खुली हुई है, फिर भी मैं सफोकेशन जिसको कहते हैं, कुंठन महसूस कर रहा हूँ।
Though the windows of this room are open, I feel myself suffocation.
या सफोकेटेड एक्चुअली, ठीक है ना। यद्यपि कि मैं ईमानदार हूँ, फिर भी लोग मेरे ऊपर शक करते हैं।
Though I am honest, people
शक करते हैं, बोलिए।
people doesn't believe on me.
एक्चुअली द आंसर होगा, दो आई एम ऑनेस्ट पीपल लुक्स एट मी विद सस्पिशन, ओके, विद सस्पिशन, ठीक है ना। यद्यपि कि मैंने कोई भी गलती नहीं की, फिर भी शिक्षक ने मुझे दंड दिया।
Though I haven't do any
done any mistake,
though I doesn't committed any mistake.
yes, you forget him. Though I haven't made or committed any mistake, my teacher has punished me. Okay. Thank you, because coming here and listening sentences and transforming itself is a challenge, and no doubt if you command over this, it will be the challenge becomes as a part of art. ये कला है, listening and transforming sentences directly. So it's okay. I will call you some other time when you just improve yourself, when you just do the things in better way. So thanks dear, and thanks to all my viewers. मिलते हैं फिर नए सेशन में. Thank you.